My name is Rangel Karaivanov. I'm an architecture student from Vienna, Austria.
My name is Marta Piaseczynska and I'm also an architecture student in Austria, Vienna.
And what's your project?
So we designed an urn cemetery, which the main idea is that it is inside inside dense cities. We thought that nowadays cemeteries are usually located on the peripheries of cities, and as cities grow more and more and land becomes scarce, we wanted to do a cemetery that is in the center and also being representative for a community that was once part of the city culture. So we oriented ourselves on Aldo Rossi's design of a urn cemetery in Modena, which is also a single architectural building which represents a community that was once part of the city of Modena. But we wanted to actually have a much more direct relationship between the visitor, the urns, and the city. And therefore we designed an urn which can, connected on a railing system, can move within the structure. And therefore it becomes a much more interactive experience of visiting the cemetery. So as a visitor you walk up the long ramp, you call the first and last name of your loved one that you want to visit, and the voice recognition system in connection with a operating system locates the urn and computes the shortest way to the visitor, and therefore it moves along these rails to the visitor and then opens up.
So this framework here on the wall is...
This is the railing system.
Okay.
And these are the single urns which are connected through a component that is, it has like a small stepper motor and the translation which then connects to the rails.
Okay. So here's a picture of an example of somebody visiting an urn that's, I guess, gone on the rails to the visitors. Interesting. And this big cube, that's interesting looking.
This big cube, like in the end, the overall motion of all the urns creates this kind of dynamic monument within the city, and it's visible throughout the city.
So your dearly departed cremated remains are not forgotten, and they're in the middle, and it's actually a rather attractive moving sculpture, it looks like. Yeah, very interesting. And you won this award, first prize in architecture. Congratulations.
Thank you.